In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF using Canva. We'll walk through creating a GIF from scratch with animations, and then how to turn a short video clip into a looping GIF you can share anywhere. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create a Design. If you already know where your GIF will live, choose a preset size like Instagram post for a square canvas. You can also search for GIF to surface ready, to use templates designed for motion. Templates are a great way to jump. Start your design, but you can begin with a blank page if you prefer a clean slate. Next, bring your idea to life with visuals. Head to the Elements tab to browse stickers, graphics, and illustrations. Search by theme or vibe, and mix styles thoughtfully so the GIF feels cohesive. If you have brand art or photos, upload your own images to keep everything on brand. Keep the canvas uncluttered. GIFs are most effective when the message reads in a glance. When your layout is ready, add motion. Select an element or select the entire page and click the Animate button in the top toolbar. Explore styles like fade for subtle entry, pan for directional movement, rise for emphasis, or tumble for playful energy. Test a few to see what communicates your idea best without overwhelming the viewer. If you are building a sequence, remember that multiple pages act like frames in your GIF, so each page becomes the next moment in your loop. Fine, tune the pace with timing controls. Click the clock icon in the toolbar and set how long each frame or animation lasts. Shorter durations, around 0.5 to 1 second, create a smooth, snappy loop. Consistent timing makes motion feel polished, while slightly varying durations can add character if it supports your message. When you are happy, export it. Click Share, then Download, and choose GIF from the File Type drop-down. Canva will compile the motion for you, and you'll get a ready to share GIF. Now, let's convert a video into a GIF. Drag and drop your clip. MP4, MOV, and similar formats work right into the Canva editor. Select the video on your canvas, then click the scissors icon to trim. Aim for a short length, typically 5 to 6 seconds, so the loop feels tight and loads quickly. To add flair or context, place text or animated stickers on top of the video, keeping contrast high so the message stays readable over motion. When you are set, click Share, Download, and select GIF again to save. That's it. Thanks for watching.